अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो है Insta360 X4 की अनबॉक्सिंग की। जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट अपने व्लॉग में मेंशन किया था DJI Osmo Pocket 3 की अनबॉक्सिंग के टाइम that I will receive another camera and I just received today, and today I will show you what do we get when we order Insta360 X4 online. And as it's a Christmas time, there are some gift vouchers which they send if you order in this time. So let's just start unboxing. I just opened the box and these are all the things that I received when I ordered Insta360 X4. So you can see there is an Insta360 X4 camera, there is invisible selfie stick and tripod, and then we get a lens cap, so in case you have a bag for Insta360, this is when you use that to protect the lenses. And then we have action invisible selfie stick, so this is very important when you are capturing the wide angle shots and you don't want the stick to appear in the video, so that's for that purpose. And this is a gift I received from Insta360 X4. So it's a multifunctional bullet time handle. So maybe or maybe not you have seen the videos captured by this. Maybe I will soon make a video of all these gadgets I received. And this is another invisible selfie stick. So what is the difference between this one, and this one? So this one comes with a tripod and this one is an action invisible selfie stick. So I bought this just so that I can use my Insta360 X4 while snowboarding or skiing, because these and this one, these two are not that strong, but action invisible selfie stick is durable enough that if you are doing some adventure it will last during that. And then I get fast charge hub, so there are 3 slots in it, so it's always best to have more batteries and some kind of a hub to charge the rest of the batteries, because sometimes when you are traveling for longer time you cannot charge every time and you cannot find the slots to charge your battery, so then you have to wait all the time to charge and then you can make a video. But that's why I ordered this fast charge hub, that I don't have to do it, I can just replace the battery. And this is the battery I received. So I have now 2 batteries, one comes with a camera and one is an extra one just as a backup in case my battery is not lasting longer, then I can use it. And then I get mic wind muff. So this is very important when you are shooting in the windy environment and you don't want to have the unclear video, unclear audio in your video. So I mean, it's always best to have it, because then you can use this stereo microphone instead of you don't have to apply the noise cancellation, because noise cancellation is good to have, but sometimes when you need to record something, then it just removes all the important parts of the video. So there is there is Insta360 Think Bowl, so that's a bottle. So I think it's a thermal bottle. Yeah. And this is the camera I received. So I already opened the box and it has, so there's a case in case you don't want to buy another bag, because I did not buy it because you cannot fit action invisible selfie stick into a bag which comes with Insta360 X4. I mean, these two are smaller, so in case you buy it, you can use these two, but not not with this one. And then there comes a very heavy cable for charging or for moving the content from your camera to your PC. And let me show you the camera. So this is the camera I received. This is the cover I got. So I also ordered screen protector. So screen protector is always good to have because you don't know how durable it is, but just on a safe side, applying this, I don't think that will hurt us in any case. And so this is where I applied these microphone wind muffs, because I capture many outdoor videos and capturing nature sounds is what I need. So I mean, it's a very pretty cool camera. And then I apply on top the protectors. So there are two kind of protectors you get from Insta360. One is which is standard and another one is Gorilla. So I didn't order the Gorilla one because I'm not going to do many adventures, and in case this one breaks then I order another one. And what else I have? Let's start the video. So I don't know if you can see it in this video, but you see me capturing it. Now I have two cameras, one for vlogging and another one to capture the actions and for general videos, because then you don't have to be as steady as with DJI Osmo Pocket 3, because you can capture everything. You don't have to focus on one thing. You can later edit the videos and capture whatever you require in your video. So you can see I can show my laptop, computer screen, whatever I would like to have. And I'm going to capture another of my experience, and I think and I'm sure that you will love it. So आज के लिए इतना ही. सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल लाइफ ऑफ हसन और बने रहिए अगली वीडियो के लिए, बिकॉज आई एम डैम श्योर अगली वीडियो बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाली है.